media persons coming from Tifu and across the district maybe. We are from the ASDC from, I'm the president, Ransom Bay, and he is the general secretary of ASDC from, publicity secretary, finance secretary, Ransom Bay, KSA president, Jameson Timu. We have Utau Rohan, central committee member. We have Muniram Erong Aphuthak, also the KSA central committee member. The Jameson group, public secretary ASDC from, and district council, also KSA central committee member. And why we are calling you here is in regards to the ongoing process that has been taking place since the last 3 months or so, but due to the 18th general election, Lok Sabha election in India, the process will not continue. That is no other than the PGR and VGR land eviction process. The protest initially led by the ASDC and KSA on 15 February, as we know everybody, and the whole of Karbi Anglong, including you will all cooperated with us to evict the people who are living there in that VGR, especially in Keruni. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, under the leadership of Tuliram Mohan, took the initiative and served a notification as well after a few days from that day forward that election is going to be very, very certain. And as I have mentioned, due to NCC model code of conduct, due to election will not be started. But Dr. Tuliram Mohan, the CEM, Karbi Autonomous Council, he himself had a meeting yesterday at a council conference and convened a meeting on the 12th of this month. That is 12 June, 11 a.m. at Karbi Autonomous Council Conference Hall for all the different political parties and organizations in regards to this eviction to run smoothly, quickly, and permanently. So during those process, we from the ASDC and KSA request and appeal that no party, association, or group should come in the way by means of trying to hijack it or by means of trying to take advantage of that. We are the ones who are doing this. This particular organizations is doing that, or I'm a leading personality from this locality, so we are the ones who is doing this protest and this process. Because of that, the government, the council government, and the state government are compelled to do. This should not be said. This is very strict and this is very sensitive issue. And this is for the whole of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, Dima South. We need to set an example. Therefore, we all should be cooperated during that implementation of the election. Therefore, we as the Chief and KSA once again request that Honorable CM, Dr. Tuliram Mohan, big thank to him, also to the Honorable Chief Minister, Himanta Biswa Sharma, who is cooperating with CEM and for the whole of Karbi Anglong people, that this election will be done smoothly and for permanently. There should not be any sorts of limitations, kind of like 10% left, 20% left to be done. This should not be done without any condition. Without any condition, we request Chief Minister, Honorable Himanta Biswa Sharma, and Dr. Tuliram Mohan is going to do that. And we request that they will do it, and we, the people of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, Dima South, must cooperate with them, and also different political parties, respective of political parties, respective of student organizations, student associations, social organizations, we must come together. This should be doing it, with the cooperation of both. This is what we want to say. From the ASDC is what? Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ichun po kasi ni kita lasi alang sorting, alang alam chatting, klepon pot churro, lapen ke khala sobong so klepon ni kan ma achira pun ni pada itu dia sih lapen jupon lapen kai tapi kalau mak itu dan
tapi joksi dari krisi lapen premium pun joksi pancing tek kita nak teman pun kerja song kerja sih dulu mah
kasih sih lagi kai tak continue loh, kita mah halas sobong slow kan ni dengan nama level makan budis itu lah.
Shortly meeting with Government Council Conference Forum. Meeting also meeting with all parties, different social organizations in one pokok. Sekarang sih, aku sisi mana pun ya, cina move kitchen boleh, kalau aman, kalau suka. Lagi, mungkin lagi cisong tu punya lebih. Jangan si claim leader tu punya lebih cisong nak, kamu itu cisong punya. Bukan claim bu punya masih non tu dulu je, ang cisong kan kau tu kitchen ada punya. Dan claim bu punya cisong sedang masih claim bu punya lagi jauh jauh. Masih, lagi jauh si claim leader tu lagi cisong bu. Sebab bagi iklim proses kitchen, lutis sah waktu itu bila military forces naik, waktu itu 900%, asal tu sih, nono bangku bangke, jesong sudah tu, proses kitchen kan itu, dalam ini mesti beliau.
Sebutnya ini siapa lingkungan lah orang ini juga non hari pun mati, lah cuma dapat hari pun cuci mah, macam kapek adim, kapek nong, kapek itu pak bidem. Betul sudah sol klaim lah.
Relocation lagi, itu mesti hero, itu mungkin lagaknya, adaptan ke thali nak ko, dan relocation ta, aku tak perlu Karbi Anglong itu kapre itu aku polis opsi mungkin ada. Lagi itu problem itu, lasi, lagi thali itu boleh kan, kalau sih kita mana di bawah, kalau orang sudah mau mar, nah, kami tak pun domisi nak mau tahu saja. Coba itu mengenai thali nak ko, apa itu tak tahu. Nah, Karbi Anglong
Long kancang dulu kira
Karbi Anglong kan cuma jangan dulu. Bicara tu adalah soal kamu teh